long last, here she is, the 300 EXC TPI, all done. And I just can't tell you how I feel. This bike is just extraordinary. The way it rides is just incredible. It's just a quick video just to show it to you guys. Nothing special about it. But it's very windy. I don't know how well you can hear me. I just wanted to show her very quickly. I will do another video in due course and show you all the stuff that has been put on it, all the parts to make it a supermoto. But I've just ridden it for less than an hour, and I tell you what, this is what a supermoto should be like. That's you want to hear her? The usual. This is a sound that many of us will recognize. Plus that smell, which you guys can't smell, but I think it was well worth the wait. I really, really love it. And mainly because the major delay was these wheels, but at the end they worked out awesome, the Alpina ones. Anyway, sorry about the quality of the video. It's really windy, I'm in a rush, and just wanted to show it to you very quickly, and then I will do a very detailed video about it.